What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Just got back from the Army, and I got some projects to take care of. First one, we're gonna start taking this whole thing out. I know I look a little more goofier than usual because I'm wearing this get up here, but when the Army gives you free shit, you take it. The real reason I'm wearing these things is because this engine's coming out, and it leaks from every single orifice, and I ain't kidding. This thing, oh god, I'm looking at the transmission right now, and I am going to get real dirty today. No, this engine's coming out because it's just worn out. My dad built it back in like 1999 for his Poland truck, and been through, Jesus, 17 different mud trucks, who knows. Just 440, board 60 over, solid roller, solid hydraulic, I can't remember which cam. I don't know, we're gonna take it down, tear it out, tear it apart, and check it out, see if it's savable, which I have my doubts. We got a couple buddies coming up, helping me take this thing out, and then probably not gonna film much of it getting taken out, but once I get it out and get it on the engine stand, we'll start taking it apart and start filming again, so I'll catch you then. All right, we got this big bitch out. It fought us on the way out, but if you have a big block swap to 80s Dodge, plan on either having a 3-inch lift kit or taking the brake booster out, either or to put your engine in or anything. Even to take your valve cover off, you're gonna have to take that brake booster off. So I'd really suggest a 3-inch lift. But yeah, other than that, it pulled out decent. Stupid headers fought us a little bit, but here's a greasy turd. Oh yeah, look at that fresh leaking oil. It's got a sweet serpentine belt setup though, I like it. Yeah, we're gonna get her on the engine stand and start taking her apart. Oh great, just what I needed. I broke my damn drip pan. You know that happens when you need to replace it. When there's just a big circle of coolant around the drip pan and there's nothing in it. It means it's broke. Get rid of it, throw it in the trash. Alright, so after some modifications of this engine stand here, we finally got this thing up on stand. I got all the bolts loose for this valley pan. You might be able to see here, it's kind of bulged up. It's because this damn thing had so much blow by it. It just ballooned it up. The only thing stopping was the intake. Try this off here. Well, get some good silicone on that thing. Well, it is a solid roller. It's pretty decent inside, not too bad. Pop the valve cover off. Oh damn, we can reuse these gaskets. Not. These may look shiny, but they're just a cheap eBay roller rocker. They'll be getting replaced. Yeah, but pop you off the tripod here. Get you a look inside. Yeah, and these heads were, I think I mentioned it before, but they were filled. Did not help out the cooling department. This thing would run at 240 degrees, 260 degrees, like that. So we're gonna replace those. But we're gonna pop these heads off and I'll get you another look in here. All right, got the heads busted off of here. That's what this looks like. This one, I'm guessing probably wasn't firing. These two, probably leaking antifreeze in there somewhere, probably from the head, so they might be cracked, I don't know. Who knows? Oh, found out they have a nice little diamond cam button there, and the row timing chain still pretty decent, might be able to reuse that. And then over here, this one's definitely had some antifreeze get into it or something. And then here's a blown head gasket. So she was a prime time. Here's what the other head looks like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take these lifters out. They don't look too terrible. The cam looks pretty good. So I'm just looking at it from up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that yanked out of there next. And flip this engine over and start looking at bearings. All right, so we got some pistons out. Go ahead and knock this last one out.
If I can.
You need me to break that thing free for you, bud?
Nope.
There you go.
Maybe.
Rock that.
Piston belt came out too.
Well, he didn't put too much force into that, and it just slid straight out. There's no tension on these rings. Yep. And once you get it out, let's see if this is another one of the messed up ones.
This was all sorts of cooked.
So it's beating something there and there. Oh, yep. Here, hold this. So watch this. This is pretty cool. Well, maybe not on this one. But anyways, I think it's on this one. There is no more ringland. She gone. Let me see the camera. Yeah, so basically I need some new pistons. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the crank here. Oh, this is my sweet hillbilly oil pickup. Zip tie some mesh on there. I haven't even looked at the pan yet. See what's in here. Well, there's a magnet there with a bunch of stuff on it. There's some metal down there. Here's some other metal we found. Here's some more pieces of rings and ringlands. And then my cam. I haven't really looked at it too close, but right there, something was hammering at it. Oh well. We'll build back better. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this crank out of here and take the oil pump off and get you back on here. Okay, I got the crank out of here. Bearings aren't horrible. That's just the oil there. I can't get good lighting. Damn. But down in here, something came apart. If I can get the damn light to stay. Something like that. So right down here, there's a nick. Up in here, all these little tick marks. And then, if you get down right there in the middle, I think you might be able to see a hairline fracture. Here, hold the light for me. I'll flip this engine over and show you guys. That's what that is. So something definitely came apart back here, and I think that also explains these tick marks in the cam here. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to maybe just ball hone it and throw some pistons in it and get it running. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet.
There's some dingleballs at her.
Yeah, but anyways, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.